In this video, I'll show you how to prevent spam form submissions in Hubspot so you can protect your forms from bots and fake entries. To do that, we first need to head over and open our form on Hubspot by going to Marketing and clicking on Forms. So head over and click on this. Now choose a form that you want to edit. Let me head over and edit right here, this one. Once you have it ready, we just need to enable CAPTCHA. On the Options tab, you can set it directly from there. Click on this gear icon, which is our settings. Then in here, you can just scroll down and then locate reCAPTCHA. Head over to the submission settings as well, and you can see right here the submission settings directly, ready for this case. Now what you need next is to click on the plus icon, and you need to add a hidden form field. So for example, let's add right here a form field, in this case, a street address. Once you have added the form field, click onto this gear icon or this pencil icon to edit the actual field. Scroll down and make sure to enable right here that hidden field. So leave this blank because when someone fills out this field, that usually means it's a bot filling it incorrectly. Once you're done, head over and review the update that you have made. That's it for this quick HubSpot spam prevention tip. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more short HubSpot tutorials.